I'm Stasia Bliss, and this is Acupressure for Sunburn. So when you have a sunburn, you've got some pain taking place throughout the body and also some inflammation. So I'm going to give you 5 main pain center points that help relieve the pain and the inflammation throughout the body. So we're going to start at the ankles and move up. The first one is called pain center number 5. And you can find it by pinching your ankle. I'm going to use my thumb and my first finger. And you're just coming down to this little divot right above the heel. And you're looking for a little point of tenderness in all these points. So once you find that tender spot, you're just going to give it a gentle stimulation for about 15 seconds. And then you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So the pressure is on both sides, but you're going to feel most of the pain on the outside, most of that little gentle tenderness. So that's the first point. The second point, we're going to go ahead and come up to the ankle. We're going to go about 1 hand's length up from the ankle, and then we're going to go to the inside of the bone. So from 1 hand's length up, you're looking for, again, a tender spot. So it's kind of like pushing on the inside of the bone there. Nerve to bone. And once you find that spot, it's a gentle stimulation. And same thing, other side. And then we're going to come up the leg to this point. I call it point number 9. From 1 hand's length down. And you're going to come between the bone and the muscle. You're finding a little divot there. And then just a gentle stimulation once again. And same thing on the other leg. So there's 3 points on the leg, there's 2 points on the hands. The first one is one you might be familiar with. It's in the webbing of the thumb and the first finger. You're just going to come in really close to the bone and find that tender spot. And again, just a gentle stimulation. About 15 seconds. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then the last one you're going to do is in the wrists. So you're going to go to your wrist and you're going to go 2 finger lengths up. And then in that spot, use your thumb to find that tender point. And then a gentle stimulation. And the same thing other side. Now if your sunburn is really intense and you have a lot of inflammation, you might not be able to go as deeply into some of these points, especially like if your legs are burnt and they're really inflamed. So just do it at the point as gently as you can. And sometimes you might even omit the moving of the finger, the gentle stimulation, and just give it gentle pressure. And if you need to leave out one of the points, then that's fine. Just do as many as you can.